box. Draw it. 4 boxes. Draw it. Don't draw it. Draw it. First, K. Write down. Pen it down. Box. Write down K L write K L M N. Write down, don't talk. K L M. మీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా మీకు కాలేదు. N. What is N? In the K place, what is there? K place, what is there? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that way, it will increase. And next N after, what is that? What is that N after? L. L is equal to how many? How here? Those are the natural numbers. Next whole numbers. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next ML. Next to ML. You will have to write. Next to ML. What is that? Next to ML. ML write down. ML, what is that? Here ML, what is that? If K is 0 means ML also 0. That is the sphere group. 0. Here 0 there. What is that for 1? Minus. Tell me. Minus 1, 0, 1. 2 for 2. For 2. Minus 2. Minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Next to 3. Tell me, these are the orbitals. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here how many? For a sphere, for sphere 1 black. For sphere 1 black. For dumbbell 3 blacks. P. This is D. D how many? 5 blacks. 5 blacks. And here N is equal to how many? N is equal to 7 blacks. N is equal to F, that is F 7 blacks. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 5. Minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 5 blacks. Here this. Next year down right MS. MS right. MS for sphere 1 black. This is sphere 1 black. There are P. P of P how many? 3 blacks. Right.